Dan. We'll see you later. See Coco watching the two of them?
I know, she's so jealous.
It's funny. Can't let you down there, Coco, because all of a sudden you'll go crazy. Hey, all right, I'll be back.
She'll kill them both, I think.
Yeah, she probably would.
Or try. Hi.
Right.
Hi.
See ya.
See ya. What's going on? What are you two doing? Oh, you were showing off for Dad. Now he's gone. That you're. Yeah. So Brad's friends send him bird videos because they think he loves birds. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. That's not a good bird video. So what's going on with you, huh? What did you do this weekend? Just yell? Right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You are such a silly. If you saw the instruction, you'd be so mad. Look. Oh, okay, you can back to That's going her lung. Right?
Yeah.
That's going her lung. People's lungs if you don't have That's crazy. How long have we had it?
I don't know.
Good thing you have that, eh, Kiwi? Isn't that a good thing? Plus we have this one.
This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. Oh,
What? 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 I'm here. What, Newman?